Once there was a big pool in a dinosaur town. All the dinosaurs in the town would use the water of the pool to drink and for all other purposes too. That pool was full of small dino fish too. Once a shrewd dinosaur decided to fish in the pool. He cast his net into the pool and sat on a side very impatiently. Unable to wait, he tied a long string to a small stone. Then, putting it into the pool, he began to stir the water in order to derive more catch into his net. A dinosaur saw him do so and asked him not to make the water muddy. But he wouldn't listen and went on beating the water, making it dirty. The dinosaur brought some of his friends and threatened him. Either you live and let live, or we teach you to. The dinosaur dropped everything and ran. Rich and poor. On a high mountain, there was a renowned saintly dinosaur. Many dinosaurs made the efforts to climb the mountain to visit him and get his blessings. Once a rich and greedy dinosaur went up to him and offered him a lot of gold. The saint refused to accept the offerings and said, "I don't accept money from those who are poor." Surprised, the dinosaur replied, "But I am very rich. Don't you wish to earn more money?" asked the saint. "Yes," said the dinosaur. "Those who wish for money always run after it. They can go to any length to acquire it, and they never stop. No one is so poor as such dinosaurs," said the saint. The rich dinosaur felt ashamed and never felt poorer. He went back home, swearing to less greedy and rich in the true sense. Fate follows you everywhere. Once upon a time, a dinosaur met with a terrible accident and lost one of her eyes. With just one good eye left, she found it difficult to see anyone approaching her from the side of the bad eye. Being a small dinosaur, she was always afraid of the meat-eating dinosaurs who hunted her daily. So, to avoid danger, she always used to feed on a high cliff near the sea, with her sound eye looking towards the land. But this means she could see whenever someone approached her on land, and soon escaped by this means. Soon the dinosaurs found out about her bad eye. They devised a plan and swam in the sea to land under the cliff where she used to feed and attacked her from her blind side. "Ah!" cried she with her dying voice. "One can never escape one's fate." Never boast of. Once there lived a little dinosaur named Rocky. He was energetic and brave. Rocky was always eager to try new things and never stopped trying. He had an undying spirit and believed that anything was possible. Dinosaurs slightly older than Rocky used to poke fun at him. Once they pointed at a river and asked Rocky if he could drink up all the water in it. Confident and eager, Rocky agreed. Immediately, Rocky jumped into the river and started drinking the water. Many dinosaurs gathered around and asked him to stop, but Rocky wouldn't listen. Without any rest, he drank and drank until, with a loud noise, he burst. Dinosaurs around could only be sad and teach their own little ones. Yes, being confident and attempting even the hardest task is the right spirit, but one should always know one's limit.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.